Hi guys, welcome to Manual. Last 2 days are left for Set General Set B exam, and as we have received many calls regarding the GK preparation. So many of you have done with your preparation, you have been through the mock test also. So now is the time to hit the GK. So that's why we have come up with the 2000 plus most important GK questions. These are the most expected question in the exam. So do go through all these questions without fail guys. So 60 to 70% question you can expect from this 2000 question PDF. So try to go through this PDF at least 2 times. One time if you will go through, you will remember the data, and it will be better if you revise for the second time so that you can remember the data till the exam. So this is the last mile preparation guys. Give your 100%. We have waited a lot for this exam, so you have prepared well for the English, maths, logic, all the section. Same way, trigger your GK preparation for next 2 days. Do go through these 2000 questions without fail. Now let me guide you how to join this 2000 question PDF. So you have to open Google guys and type MANOEUVRE manuveredu.com. This is what the website is. I just go to the home page. So this is how the website will open. Go to the buy online BBA entrance, scroll down, and here you can see sectional codes. Just click on it, go to the last. So here you can see guys, Set General Symbiosis, which is starting from 26th of July to 29th of July is the exam date. GK and current affairs 2000 plus GK question. So this is what the GK booster program, which includes your 2000 plus GK question, most highly expected question in the exam guys. So the moment you will join this course, immediately this get activated and you can start going through all the questions. So once you join this program, this is how your dashboard will look guys. You have to go to the ebooks, 1000 plus current affairs question, 1000 plus static GK question. Just click on the 1000 plus current affairs question and click on the read books. So this is how the PDF will open. All these questions you have to go through. So try to go through all these PDF at least 2 times guys. In your exam 20 marks GK will come. I can bet you 10 to 15 marks definitely you will be getting from this PDF. So guys, whether you have prepared or not prepared for the GK doesn't matter, but if you have revised these 2000 plus GK questions, that will be sufficient to hitting the good score in the GK. So in case if you want to join this program, link I have already given in the description, so kindly check the description, or else you can visit manuveredu.com/BBA entrance. For any query and doubt, you can call to our online team 8828581455. And if you have not written mock test, do write couple of mock tests also to get the feel of the exam. All the very best for your preparation guys. Thank you.